In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for Lloyds Bank Internet Banking. Whether you're looking to manage your finances more efficiently or simply need the convenience of online banking, setting up your Lloyds Bank Internet Banking is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Lloyds Bank website by typing in www.lloydsbank.com. The homepage will provide you with a variety of options, but for our purposes, you want to locate and click the Login button. This is typically found in the upper corner of the website where you access most banking tools. Once you've clicked Log In, you'll see an option for new users labeled Register. Go ahead and click Register here. This will take you to the registration page where you'll start the process by entering some personal details. Be ready to fill in your full name and date of birth. These credentials help verify your identity and will later be used whenever you log in. You'll also need to provide your email address, which is crucial as it not only serves as part of your login information, but is also where you'll receive updates and notifications. If you reside in the UK, you'll also need to input your postcode. This helps verify your location and adds an extra layer of security to your banking data. Now, it's important to specify the type of account you hold with Lloyds. You might have a standard personal account, a joint account, or a business account. Clarifying this detail will direct you to the specific registration page for your account type. Alongside this, enter your sort code and account number. These numbers can usually be found on your bank statements or on the bottom of your checkbook. They're essential for linking your account with online services. At this stage, you'll have the option to read through the terms and conditions. It's highly recommended to go over these to fully understand the services and protections Lloyds Bank provides. Once you've thoroughly read these and agree with them, you'll proceed by checking the box to indicate your acceptance. With all the required information correctly filled and confirmed, click on the Continue button. This will move you to the next stage of the process, where you might be asked a few more questions or require additional verification, usually for security purposes. Registering for Lloyds Bank Internet Banking is that simple. Once you've completed these steps, you'll receive a confirmation email with any further instructions if needed. Now you're all set to enjoy the convenience and flexibility of managing your finances online with Lloyds Bank. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helped make the registration process clear and simple.